Vardhan. Today I am going to show you Snowstorm, a cool science experiment in a glass. So let's get started. For this experiment, you will require a glass, watercolor as per your choice, food color, glitter for decoration, effervescent tablets like aspirin, dispirin, Alka-Seltzer or any other tablet, baby oil or any other oil like olive oil, water and a spoon. I am filling glass about 3/4 full with oil. In a separate bowl, blend water and a few tablespoons of white paint. Add glitter and food color to the oil and mix it well. Now add water to the oil and mix it well. Now finally drop tablets into the glass and watch the glittery snowstorm.